Yes, sir.
So you have any questions here, any queries, any doubts here in question
No, sir.
1? You
No,
understood
sir.
No, sir.
everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now question number 2. Arabi, read.
A lamp is positioned at the bottom of a small pool of water. The critical angle for light passing from water into air is 49 degrees. Explain what is meant by the term critical angle.
Yeah, we gave this definition to you, right? What is critical angle? Can you please tell me what is called critical angle? Yeah,
When light travels from one rarer denser medium to rarer medium for a certain incident angle for that medium.
again say.
When light travels from the denser medium for a certain incident angle is known as critical angle.
Your answer is incomplete. For a certain incident angle, the angle of refraction is 90 degree. That angle of incidence is called critical
Critical
angle,
angle.
right? So
Yes, sir.
your answer is incomplete. Then Monica, what you wrote?
Critical angle is an angle of incidence value. When
Hmm.
light travels from denser to rarer medium for a certain incident angle, the angle of refraction is right angle. This this phenomenon is called critical angle.
This
That's all,
angle is
madam.
called critical angle. Okay. This angle is called critical angle, but phenomenon will come for total internal reflection. Okay, not for critical angle. Critical angle is angle of incidence. So there you correct that this angle of incidence is called critical angle. Is it clear?
Understood.
Mahi,
Yes, sir.
what is called critical angle? Do you have any idea what is called critical angle?
Sir, the angle which passes the refraction angle, the refracted ray.
So critical angle, what is special for it? What is special for this angle? Why it is called critical?
It's
Look, I am drawing. You should take these notes. So when
it's
light
beside the
travel,
90-degree.
yeah, this is angle of incidence, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
and this one is angle of refraction. Okay, isn't it? So here it is 90 degree angle of refraction.
Oh, okay.
Angle of refraction is 90 degree for the angle of incidence. That angle of incidence is called critical angle. Okay.
Mechanical.
Yeah. Condition is, what is the condition? Condition is the light ray should go from denser to rarer medium, right? Denser. This
Yes, sir.
medium should be denser and that medium should be rarer. Okay, you take this note. Mahi, draw this diagram. Rarer. This is rarer medium. Write on your record copy. This is rarer. Rarer means lighter medium. Okay,
Okay,
less
sir.
denser medium. So if light rays are traveling from denser to rarer medium for a certain angle of incidence, the angle of refraction is 90 degree. That angle of incidence is called critical angle. Is it clear?
Critical angle.
So beside
Yes,
your
sir.
definition, you again draw. If you draw, it will be more understandable. Please draw. I drew it, you also draw. Because critical angle is really critical thing, right? If you
Yes,
if you
sir.
draw it, then it will be easier for you. So I'm writing here the definition. You also write. The angle of incidence when light travels from, you write, when light travels from denser to, Monica, your definition is okay. You just write there, other than phenomena, you write that angle of incidence is called critical angle. Okay, Monica?
Mhm.
When
Yes,
light
sir.
travels from denser to rarer medium for a certain angle of incidence, the angle of refraction is 90 degree. Okay, I'm writing here 90. You write there also degree symbol. 90 degree. That angle of incidence is called critical angle. So angle of critical angle is basically is angle of incidence, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This one you have to remember
Yes,
that,
sir.
and critical angle is angle of incidence. Don't mix up, huh?
Okay, sir.
This is very vital that you have to remember that angle of critical angle is angle of incidence. Have you drawn this diagram, Farabi,
Yes, sir.
Monica, Mahi? The definition is
Yes,
done.
sir.
Sir, I'll draw it in my home.
What? When you'll draw home? Tomorrow.
Like I have to go in 8:20.
Okay, so that time you will do it.
Yes, sir.
And now what you are doing? Only seeing, watching.
No, sir. Like when I'll go home, that time I'll see
Yes,
the recording and then I'll like draw.
draw. Now you are only writing.
I'm sorry. I'm just seeing.
Okay, you are only seeing. You are just attending. Okay, fine. Now you are not in a position to write or draw, right? You are enjoying your life. Okay, fine. Now look, can you read it, Mahi?
Okay. The the lamp sends light towards the surface of the room, shows three rays of light that are at 30 degrees, 60 degree, and 90 degree to the horizontal.
Okay, so three rays are shown, right? Here we got three rays, and you see these three rays are making angles with this surface also, right? Uh, this surface, we have to find the angle at this surface from the given information, and they are saying on figure 2.1 draw the path taken by each of the three rays after they strike the surface of the water. So, what will happen to this ray? Can anyone tell me?
90 degree?
Yeah,
This
90.
this ray will bend or it will go straight? That one is my question.
Straight.
Straight,
Straight.
yes. Yes.
Straight.
So why it's going straight? Because it's uh, parallel to normal, right?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
along
sir.
the normal it will go straight. So it will go without bending, right? This ray you draw with your ruler and pencil, it is going straight. And what about this one?
Um, Total internal reflection.
You first
Bend.
draw the normal, then you'll understand what will it happen. Okay, first you draw the normal, then find the angle of incidence. What is the angle here? What is the angle
Bend.
here?
Critical.
If this one is
49.
60, then this one is also 60, isn't it? Alternate
Yes, sir.
angles. This way you have to find. If it is 60, then what is the value of angle of incidence? It is 30 degree. Draw it, draw.
Yes,
Whatever
sir.
I am drawing, you should draw. This is 30 degree, right? Isn't it? Angle of incidence is 30 degrees. So what do you think? Your angle of incidence is greater or smaller than critical angle?
Greater.
Hey, how it is greater? What is the value of your critical angle? It's given here, right?
49.
49 degree.
Yes, sir.
So,
Oh,
is it greater or
uh,
smaller? Which
smaller.
which one is angle of incidence? Angle of incidence is between normal and incident ray. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Always calculate the angles from normal. Okay, so from normal our angle is 30 degree. Which one is smaller than critical angle? So if it is smaller than critical angle, what will happen? Refraction or total internal reflection?
Refraction.
Yes, very good. So it will be refraction. Then we will show the refraction here, right? And it's not necessary that you have to draw in a specific ray. You can draw just away from the normal, arbitrary, okay? So that you can understand it's from denser to rarer going that's why it is away from the normal. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now for this one, what is the value of angle of incidence? Can you tell me? Everyone try then tell me what is the angle of incidence here.
60 degree.
Yes, very good. So how it is 60 degree? Like before, here we got 30, right? This one is 30. So this is alternate. It is 30 degree, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You label it also, huh? So that you are clear about your ideas. This is 60 degree. So angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, right? Your critical angle was how much? 49 degree,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it? Now it will be refracted or total internal reflection.
Total internal reflection.
So only Monica is saying, what about Mahi and Farabi? Mahi, Farabi, Your microphone is off.
I didn't understand this question, that's why.
You understand it. Have you understood it?
Yes, sir.
Farabi, have you understood it? If
Yes,
you
sir.
understand, at least you say yes, sir. If you don't understand, then and there you ask me question. Then I get confidence. Yes, you are understanding, you are listening. Okay, you should
Yes, sir.
respond. Keep your microphone on.
Lol.
Okay, is it clear? Hello, Mahe.
Yes, sir. Sir, my mic is not working properly.
Okay, so if you understand, at least you say yes, sir. We are understanding. If you are not understanding, you should tell me that, sir, I am not understanding. Is it clear?
Yes,
Mahi
sir.
and Farabi.
Yes,
So
sir.
when you are drawing this ray, you should maintain the angle. This one is 60 degrees, so this one should be also 60 degree. You should use the protector because this one is specific. This is total internal reflection. So the both angles will be equal. I equals R. Law of reflection will be followed here. So done. This question is done. Question 2.
Yes, sir.
For drawing three rays correctly, 3 marks.
Yes, sir.
So you are working with phone, right? Mahi?
Yes, sir.
Mahi, you take snap of this picture and send to our group.
Oh, sir. In my father's phone, I don't have the group.
But you send it to your one or my one. Then I can forward it. Can you do it?
Sir, I can do it.
Sir, in my father's phone, I
Okay,
don't
okay.
have the account.
Then Monica do it. Monica. I think it will be very much helpful for you, right? If it is available in our
Yes,
group.
sir.
Monica, you sent it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Now we are going to now MCQ part again. Okay, this was homework, right? Question 1 and 2 I gave you as homework, and I
Yes, sir.
found that
Yes, sir.
Monica, she tried really uh, hard, and Farabi also tried little bit. What about Mahi? Mahi, I did not get your report. That did you try this?
Sir, I did it in my worksheet. I did it in my worksheet.
So if you did in your record copy in your worksheet, then you got this way or you got in different way. The way I showed you now, you got it this way or you got different way.
Sir, only this question I was confused. The other one I was fine.
Okay, so you check it again, huh? The recording is there. Also, so if you have found anything wrong with your answer, then you correct it, huh? And you have any doubts,
Okay,
even
sir.
next class, you can ask me. Okay. Now, how much we did in MCQ part?
Okay, sir.
Till which question we did? 29.
29.
Yes, 29 we did. Now, Mahi, you read 30. Mahi,
Sir, I
question
can't hear
30.
you.
Question number 30, you read. MCQ. Are you seeing the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Read loudly.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Mahi, read loudly. Question 30, MCQ. Are you seeing the question?
Hello? Hello?
Yes. Farabi, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
So
Hello?
you read question 30.
An object placed at 8 centimeters from a
Hello?
conical projecting lens
Anyone?
of
Sir, I
focal
can't
length
hear
5
anyone.
centimeters.
Hello?
Which statement about the image formed by the lens is correct?
So find your answer. Yes.
Hello?
Yes, Mahi.
Yeah, yes, now I can hear properly.
Okay, okay. So we are doing question 30 now. MCQ 30. Can you see it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So try to find the answer.
Okay, sir.
So focal length is given, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you are given focal length, you can easily find the position of the image, right?
Yes.
You
The
should draw it.
image is.
You should draw it. Monica, are you drawing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Apply the rules you learned for drawing ray diagrams.
Sir, can I guess the answer?
Okay. What is
It's
your...
Dhaka.
The image is virtual. When the
No,
image
sir. Sir,
when
I
the
think
image
it's.
will be virtual, if it is inside the focal length, like
Yeah.
if the object is between focal length and the optical center, then it will be for magnifying glass, virtual and
Sir, it's
upright. Yeah. Now,
Bangladesh.
now it's between f and 2f, right? That
Yes,
is
sir.
for projector. F and 2f between, it is for projector. Projector one is enlarged. It is real, inverted and enlarged. You check your diagrams. You have only three options, right? Or three types of diagrams. One is for camera eye, that is the object is from outside of 2f, right?
Yes, sir.
And at that time we are getting smaller image is smaller, inverted. For projector, that is between f and 2f, that one we are getting enlarged, inverted, real. isn't it? And for magnifying glass, it is closer to the lens. That means it's in between f and optical center, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
At that time, our image should be virtual and upright. Is it clear now? This way you should
Yes,
remember.
sir.
If you want to get the answer fast, otherwise you have to draw the diagram. So is it clear? So what should be your answer?
Is here.
It should be what?
Yes.
Have you got the answer? Hello? Mahi is not there. Yeah, Monica, have you got your answer? Farabi?
Okay.
Yeah, Monica.
I am a bit clueless because the converging lens is far from focal point.
So here look, we are given one information, that is F. F is 5. Look, our notes I am again opening. Then your all confusion will go. Inshallah. So it is the first one, okay? Look, Monica, Farabi.
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
Monica and Farabi. Look, for the
Yes,
first
sir.
one, it is camera or human eye, right? And that day I gave you one example that aeroplane or any bird, we are looking uh, from here, right? From the ground, and we are looking at the sky, isn't it? That time it is far away. So that time our object is object position is outside the 2F, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So if it is outside the 2F, it is for camera or human eye. That time the image size is, you see, smaller. It is inverted, it is smaller. That's why you are saying diminished. And of course, it is real.
Mm-hmm.
Clear this one?
Yes, sir.
Then for projector, you see, projector one, we got it between F and 2F, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The object position is between F and 2F, and we are getting the image, it is inverted. Image is inverted, it is real, and it is enlarged, or we can say magnified. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
In projector, we get bigger image, right? Bigger than the object,
Mhm.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the questions showing us. Look, Our question is giving information as F. F is 5 centimeter and the object is 8 centimeter. So it's between F and 2F, right? 2F will be 10 centimeter, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if it is F and 2F between, then it is of course a projector one. And if it is projector, then it should be real, right?
America.
Real and inverted and enlarged, right? So which one is matching?
A.
A. Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
If you are getting this type of questions, you can answer easily, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So and the last one, again I am going there. Last one we had for magnifying glass, right? This one. If it is between F and optical center, that time it is virtual, upright, enlarged. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay, so it is done. Now we are having question number 31. Yeah, you read, Monica read.
The diagram shows an object in front of a plane mirror. A ray of light from the object is incident on the mirror, through which point does the reflected ray pass, and at which point is the image of the object formed. Mm, and which point the reflected ray pass.
So you got properties of image on a plane mirror, right?
Yes, sir.
So uh, that one is giving us 5 properties. How many? 5 properties. So using
5.
those properties, we'll get our this question answers. First one you have to use the object
I
and
got
image
this.
distance are equal, isn't it? Object distance and
Yes,
image
sir.
distance are equal. That one you have to use. And another one you can use, that is law of reflection. Law of reflection. Law of reflection is
Reflection.
what? Angle of incidence equals angle of reflection, isn't it? So
Reflection.
what you have to do, you have to draw a diagram here and you should maintain those 2 rules. One is object distance and image distance should be equal. So it is the position of the image, right? You understand it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So point at which image is formed R. So you can
Yes,
either
R.
choose A or C, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
In between A and C, you have to choose because already we got R is the position of the image. Now this ray will be reflected this way, isn't it? Because
Yes, sir.
your normal will be here, then angle of incidence and angle of reflection will be equal. So which one is your answer? Point through which reflected ray passes? Is it P?
America.
Is it P or Q? Point through the reflected ray passes. It is
Through
America.
P.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
P. So P and R. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So is it very difficult?
No, sir.
If you just apply the rules, apply the laws, or apply the learning you already have, you can answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Nothing is coming beyond your knowledge. Just you have to apply. Now this one, question number 32, then 33 onwards we have how many? I think we already discussed 39, 40, 37, right?
Yes, sir.
Already we discussed 37, 38 and 39, 40, all of them we are done. Now we have 36, 35, 33, 32. Okay, so 32 from 32 till 36. How many? 5 questions, right?
Yes, sir.
This 5 question is your homework from MCQ part. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and from structured part, you do only question number 3. Okay, will it be difficult for you? Question number 3,
No, sir.
you try it, huh? Question number 3, you try, and their MCQ part, you have only 5 questions from 32 till 36. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, have a nice time, huh?
Mhm. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
bye.
sir. Allah Hafiz, sir.
Bye. Bye. Allah Hafiz.